You cannot find that number one everywhere. My number one is in Bekezeli Mbokazi right now. The way he defends the ball, he does not do the things that defenders do. You know, when you are defending, you just want to push the ball out. No, he's not gonna do that. He will play the ball and then he's gonna pass it. You know that we have defenders here in South Africa who will that when you are defending a ball, you must just kick the ball out, kick the ball out. But Bekezeli Mbokazi knows how to defend. The way he defends, it needs to be studied. It really needs to be studied. Like he is one of the best defenders that
Yes, thank you so much, Kwenga. According to you, right now, Mbokazi is happening to be the greatest, not of all time, the greatest now. That's what we are finding, Kwenga, from you. Please do comment on this one. There was a Leslie Manyatela, there was the General Teko Modise, there was a Gift Vavavumle Remy, there was a Noti Mokoena who actually left with the Bafana Bafana, but was chased away because of other matters which are now relating to Isipombule. There was actually one